Hi everybody, it is time to get ready for Valentine's Day, and I've got several amazing ideas that you can make in a snap.
Here are 4 different sweet ideas. First, Valentine's Day bark. Next, mini heart bark. And then these adorable cupcake socks. Finally, latte socks. Let's start with the Valentine's bark. Line a pan with parchment paper. Follow the melting directions for white bark in the microwave. Stir and pour on the parchment paper. Smooth it out. Melt pink candy melts in the microwave or on a double boiler and pour it in lines over the white bark. Use a skewer to create a design. This is where my daughter wanted to jump in and help out. This is such a fun project for everyone in the family. Top it off with sprinkles. Just start layering sprinkles on top of each other. The more you add, the more creative you can get. We added hearts, little X's, and O's. Once done, put it in the refrigerator until it's solid. Now you can break it into pieces. For mini heart bark, pour melted white candy melts into a silicone heart mold. Top it off with cute candies. I added some pink candy melts on top of some of the white bark and added candies there too. After you put it in the fridge to harden, you can pop them out of the molds. They are adorable Valentine's heart bark candies. Put them in cute clear bags with your regular bark and tie it off with adorable ribbons. Now I'm going to show you how to make cute cupcake socks. I bought these adorable cupcake cups online. Then I found all different types of Valentine themed socks at the dollar store. Start with the fuzzy red one by folding the sock at the top. Start rolling it from the toe all the way up to the top. It starts to look like a cupcake. All you have to do is slide it into the cupcake cup. Next, with the thin socks, you have to put one toe on top of the other. Fold over, start rolling it from the toe all the way to the top. And voila, you have another cute cupcake. Put your cupcake in a clear bag, tie it off with a cute ribbon with a tag. There are so many cute ways to package these cupcakes, either in a bag or even in a cupcake box. Now for the latte with the fuzzy socks, fold over and roll. Put them in a cute latte cup. You have several easy and inexpensive Valentine's Day gifts.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like these ideas and you'd like to see more, comment below. Tell me what you want to see next. Also, be sure to turn on those post notifications so you can get notified next time I post a video. Have a great day.